Built by Becker, must-have home maintenance checklist with free PDF checklist. This is a one-page checklist separated into 3 sections, organized by the frequency which you'll be performing the checks or the maintenance task. We'll start with the monthly list. These are the most frequent items. Next is the large section, seasonal task, spring, summer, fall, and winter. Now in Florida, we only have 2 seasons, hot, aka summer, or hurricane, and busy season, aka cool weather and heavy traffic. But this checklist caters more to a southern climate because I'm in Florida. If you're in a northern climate like the Midwest or Northeast, you may need to adjust some of these tasks based on the systems in your home and the variety of seasons. Lastly are the yearly tasks. These ensure you catch potential issues which can lead to costly damages or insurance claims. You can find a timeline below this video broken into monthly, seasonal, and yearly tasks. If you only want to focus on an upcoming season, like summer or hurricane, you can jump to that section. Also, bookmark this video for future reference. And at the end, I'll show you where you can download a one-page checklist so you can have it as a reference. Monthly task. Let's start with the monthly items. I'll provide some context because these tasks are listed as one-liners on my checklist. Checking smoke and CO detectors. Test the detectors using the test button to ensure that they're working functioning. Replace batteries even if they're hardwired and check the battery backup. Ensure detectors are not expired. Remember, these do have a shelf life. For an example, a 15-year-old smoke detector probably should be replaced. Nowadays, I'm finding that most are coming with a 10-year built-in battery. Test GFCI outlets. Now these outlets are usually in places like bathrooms, kitchens, and garages, or even outside areas. Press the test button to ensure the outlet shuts off, then press the reset to restore power. Sometimes they even have a light that'll give you that reference. Alternatively, you can use a GFCI tester, like one from Klein Tools, that will actually trip the outlet and ensure it resets properly. Here's a big one. Check under your kitchen and your bathroom sinks. A lot of times we store unused items or items that we do use, but we pack them underneath those sinks. So it really disables us from seeing a slow water leak. These leaks can be damaging to the cabinets, subfloors, drywall behind, can also cause mold or mildew to build up. So checking these on a regular is super important. I also recommend checking the P-traps. That will solve the minor leak issue, and catching them from regular maintenance will prevent the damage. Seasonal task, and I'm gonna break these down into the 4 common seasons. Spring, replace HVAC filters. In Florida, we highly recommend regular services to keep these very important HVAC units in top shape. If you want to know more about the importance of regular HVAC services, check out my video on home watch and the importance of keeping seasonal home in top shape. Pressure washing your exterior, pool decks, sides of houses, deck areas, driveways, walkways, or even windows are places where algae can build up and dirt can build up. We recommend getting these pressure washed to keep the area clean and also give proper maintenance. Repair and replace damaged screens. Adding new mulch to flower beds. I consider ordering mulch in a bigger area or a bigger section to keep the cost down. Buying 1 bag at a time can be a little bit costly. Caulk in bathrooms and kitchens, especially around the heavily wet areas. Remove old caulk and reseal as needed to prevent water damage or the future of water damage. Here we go into summer. Remember to keep replacing these HVAC filters. This is a reoccurring task, and it's good for the system. Clean and stain your deck. If you have a pressure-treated deck, summertime is a good time to do that. Pressure wash it, clean it, and then restain. Removing lint from a dryer, super important. Clean both the exterior vent and the interior hose. A buildup of lint can be a fire hazard. Tightening ceiling fan blades. Fans are heavily used in the summer or in Florida all year round, and loose blades can drop. Tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver and make sure that they're secure. Going into fall, replace HVAC filters. Now this service of changing filters and maintaining is so important, whether you're up north or down south. Heating and cooling systems are the life force of comfort in our homes. So regular service and maintenance has been spoken about numerous times on this video because of the importance of these systems and how we are living inside of our homes. Clean gutters after leaves fall. Ensure that water flows freely through your gutters to prevent ice dams in the winter or blockage for us in the summer with heavy rainfall. Check weather stripping. Inspect seals on doors and garage doors to prevent drafts or to keep out leaves and debris. Fall in Florida is the end of hurricane season, so we need to check our homes for all types of damages. Even if a storm isn't a direct hit, we can still suffer issues from the rain and the wind. Screens, pool cages, roof tiles, landscaping, tree limbs, water intrusion are all still possible with tropical storms or even pass-by hurricanes. Winter. Replace HVAC filters. Continue the seasonal replacement routine. These HVAC systems and heating systems are crucial to our comfort, as mentioned before. Prune dormant trees. Trim trees when they're not actively growing or that might have branches or limbs that could be a potential threat to the home or to the people who are walking by. Clean bathroom exhaust fans. Once again, dust and lint buildup can help reduce efficiency and cause noise. And it just looks gross. Tighten door hinge screws. Use longer screws if they have been stripped. Everybody knows about those doors that just won't properly close because the screws aren't right. Clean your refrigerator condenser coils. Dust buildup reduces efficiency and increases energy usage. Here are your yearly tasks. Test your main water shutoff valve. Ensure that it turns off fully. Ball valves should move easily, and globe valves should be checked for leaks. Inspect your crawl space, if you have one. Look for standing water, disconnected ductwork, or any other issues that you see underneath the home. Maintain your fireplace or chimney. I always schedule a professional for this kind of inspection, but if you feel like it, you can do it yourself. Flush your water heater. Drain sediment from the tank to expand its lifetime. Recently had a water heater replaced in my house, and that was the direct suggestion from our plumber, was to drain it once a year and extend the lifespan by at least 5 years. Walk your home's perimeter. Check the foundation, downspouts, and seals around utility lines. Fill gaps with spray foam or silicone. And also, I recommend to always have fire extinguishers around the home. Ensure that they're fully pressurized, up to date, and in a convenient location just in case of a fire. Only 5% of homeowners proactively maintain their properties. So by doing these checklists, this will put you ahead of most. Now you can download these checklists via the link in the video description. It's a simple link with an email needed so we can add you to a list of our monthly updates. If you own a home in Florida and want to learn more about hurricane checklist and storm preparation, you can also click the link in this video. And if you've gained a little bit of information from this video about home maintenance, we ask that you please like, subscribe, and follow our page, Built by Becker.